Hi guys, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Tanushri. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a very traditional Karwachauth look. It's a little heavy but looks elegant at the same time, and it's so easy to pull it off. So it's very easy for any of you to recreate this. So without any further ado, let's begin. I'm going to start with the moisturizer, and today I'm going to be using this moisturizer. This one is from Embryolysys, I think. Okay, whatever. It's really difficult for me to pronounce this name here. Okay, now I'm going to be using this MAC stroke cream to give a dewy look on my face. Okay, for primer, today I'm going to be using this primer. This one is from Benefit, the Professional Pore Minimizer primer. To cancel out all my dark circles and dark patches, today I'm going to be using this concealer. This one is from LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer in the shade name GC990. Means it's an orange concealer. Okay, and I'm going to set it with a loose powder, and I'm using this loose powder. This one is from Huda Beauty. For foundation, today I'm going to be using this foundation. This one is from MAC in the shade name NC30, I guess. Okay, yep, NC30 in the shade name. Okay, I'm going to apply it all over my face. Then I'm going to blend it with my beauty blender. This one is from Pume. It is very easy for any of you to recreate this look. It's my belief. Just stay with me till the end of this video. Okay, moving on to the next step. For shading and highlighting, today I'm going to be using this Wonder Stick. This one is from NYX NYX Professional Makeup Wonder Stick Highlight and Contour Stick. It is a dual-ended tool to highlight and contour in one. One to add depth and definition, and the other to lift and brighten your face, means not your face, your highlighted parts of your face. And it's really required very less effort to blend the product on your skin because the soft formula glides on your skin with intense color pigmentation and lasts all day long. फ्रेंड्स, हम लोग को करवा चौथ पे बहुत अच्छे से रेडी होना है ताकि हस्बैंड के सामने चांद से भी ज़्यादा सुंदर हम लोग लगे। इसीलिए मैं ये ट्यूटोरियल आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ। आप लोग मेरे स्टेप्स को फॉलो कीजिए। आशा करती हूँ आप लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा एंड आप लोग इसको बहुत अच्छे से रिक्रिएट कर पाओगे। एंड अगर आप लोग इसको रिक्रिएट करते हैं तो मुझे ज़रूर टैग कीजिएगा। मैं अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे अपना सोशल मीडिया का जो लिंक है वो मैं दे दूँगी वीडियो के नीचे। टू ब्राइटन अप अंडरनीथ ऑफ माई आईज, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू बी यूजिंग दिस लूज पाउडर. दिस वन इज़ फ्रॉम हुडा ब्यूटी in the shade name Banana Bread. And in the rest of my face and neck, today I'm going to be using this compact. This one is from MAC in the shade name NC35, and I'm using this compact to give a natural look. And to give my face some warmth, today I'm going to be using this bronzer. This one is from Benefit Hula Bronzer. It gives you a sun-kissed glow, but it has no sparkle or shine in it. And it's really great for contouring. I really love this product. It's my favorite one. To give my face more brightness, today I'm going to be using this blusher. This one is my recent most favorite blush on, and this one is from Benefit. For highlighting, today I'm going to be using another wow product from Benefit, Dandelion Twinkle highlighter. This one is from Benefit and it's just awesome. It is a nude pink powder highlighter, and it is very light textured and delicate radiance, perfect for highlighting and brightening for a luminous girly glow. For lipstick, today I'm going to be using my all-time favorite lipstick. This one is from Sugar in the shade name Satin Scarlet. For eyebrows, today I'm going to be using this eyebrow pencil. This one is from Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Retractable Brow Pencil in the shade name Ash Brown. For eyeshadow, today I'm going to be using this palette. This one is from Pixie Dream Shadow Palette. It is a 28 color palette full of super silky mineral eyeshadows in it, and this color offers a mix of matte, metallic and glimmer finish, so you can create a wide variety of eye makeup looks. And you guys can create this eye look also that I'm creating today. To create a natural lid space, I'm going to be using this concealer. This one is from Elegal Pro Concealer, and I'm not going to create any cut crease. I'm just creating a natural lid space because my eyes are little hooded. So I'm just going to create a natural lid space by using this concealer. For kajal, today I'm going to be using this kajal. This one is from Maybelline Colossal Kajal, my all-time favorite. And for eyeliner, today I'm going to be using this eyeliner. This one is from Inglot Gel Liner. Before applying any mascara or falsies, I always curl my lashes, and for mascara today I'm going to be using this mascara. This one is from L'Oreal False Lash Superstar. To set my entire makeup very seamlessly, today I'm going to be using this setting spray. This one is from MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus. I'm using this lipstick again for Sindoor and Bindi. So this is my final look, guys. Let me know in the comment section below how you like this look, and if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye guys. I hope मेरा ये ट्यूटोरियल आप लोगों को बहुत पसंद आया फ्रेंड्स, एंड अगर अच्छा लगा तो ज़रूर वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए एंड चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, एंड फ्रेंड और फैमिलीज़ के साथ वीडियो को ज़रूर शेयर कीजिए. बाय गाइस एंड हैप्पी करवा चौथ.